Hey, everybody, it's Jennifer Woolsey, and welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. We are going to do a morning makeup tutorial for real women who are always in a hurry to get ready. So welcome in, say hello whenever you watch, and drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. I've already gone in this morning with my morning skincare regimen. I'm using my Isinox Anew Ultimate line. Love it. It is doing all the good things for firming and evening out skin tone, helping with those pesky wrinkles nobody has time for. And I did my day cream, and what did I do for eye cream today? Oh, I did my Belief Eye Balm to help firm up that skin and just moisturize. For some reason, I'm having dry skin around my eye area. It may be the cold weather. I don't know. So let's hop in. We are going to do our concealer first with our Cashmere Complexion shade Matcha. So what are you looking forward to? That was what I wanted to chat about. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That's what I wanted to chat about this morning. It seems like with COVID and all the things going on that it's been hard to find things to really look forward to. But my husband and I were talking last night as we were laying in bed and just thinking about the things in our own life, you know, with your kids and with your job, maybe with friends that are close by. If you have like a circle of friends that you, my nose, I don't know why it's red. If you have friends that are close by that you maybe get to spend time with or something, you know, you can kind of make your own thing. So last night, at our life group, we have a small group that gets together. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Christina. Oh, yay. That's something to look forward to. Okay, Cashmere Complexion. We're going to use our powder foundation in shade N120. So anyway, we get together with a small group on Wednesday nights and we do life together. Maybe do like a small Bible study and just visit and talk about life. And we did a chili cook-off last night. So we had, I think, 5 different types of chili. One of them, my favorite, was white chili. Have you guys ever had white chicken chili? My friend Stephanie made it, and it was good. I'm not a huge chili fan. The guys wanted to do it. My husband made deer chili. Ugh, not a fan, but that's all we had. I would learn to eat it, right? Anyway, it was good, that white chicken chili. So I know it sounds crazy. I mean, like, you're like, really, you're looking forward to a chili cook-off? But I don't know why. I just keep powder in my face. But, you know, it was something to look forward to. And I think in today's climate, with everything going on, with the COVID and stuff, it's hard to really get excited about much stuff. So I'm just saying, look for something small to celebrate. So maybe you reach out to your friends. I know for New Year's Eve, we have a small group of friends that we hang out with, and we did a bake-off. Even the kids got involved, and they got to make something. In fact, my best friend's little girl, who's 12, she won it. She won the bake-off. She was awesome. So, you know, I know it's all around food. Everything, to me, celebrating is all around food. I'm using the Tattoo Station pencil in shade Brown. So, I don't know. I mean, maybe this is a redundant topic, but I think that I know so many people that are struggling right now. Good morning, Amanda. Fellowship. Yes, that is just knowing that there's other people out there that care about you, I think, is so important. And that's why, especially my Avon team, we really connect with each other and support each other, is because there's just something about that community, that fellowship, that knowing that, hey, somebody else out there has my back and you're not all alone in this crazy world. And, you know, there's just ways to look for those opportunities around you if you will just look and get involved. And it could, I mean, maybe you're not a church goer. Okay, I needed to even that out a little bit. Maybe you're not a church goer, but maybe I'm going to use our VDL primer. These launched today. They come in 3 different shades. So there's the original, and then there's the glittery. I think I'm going to use the original today. And then there's another one that's like a shimmer gold based. It's so pretty. So I'm going to use these to prime my eyes for the eyeshadow. But, you know, maybe there's some kind of organization that you could volunteer in or become a part of to give back to your community. I know there's a group in our town that is cleaning up our parks. And so, I mean, you don't really have to be a part of an organization to do it. You can get some trash bags, take your kids out to the parks and clean up trash. I mean, there's ways that you can get out in nature and be a part of something and give back to your community and find things to look forward to. I mean, maybe it's not going to the movies or going out, you know, on a big night. That wasn't good. A big night on the town, but it's still something to look forward to. And I think that's really important, especially with the climate that we're in. Trying to social distance from people and keep yourself safe is to find some ways to give back in your community. Okay, so I'm going to use our Love in Paris palette. This is still available on my website. So I'm going to pick up this pink here and use that as my transition color. And we're going to go in and make that faux crease there. Just kind of working that into the eye. Just blend, blend, blend. My life has changed much more now that I've met all of you, but watching you makes me want to do more. Well, that's good, Christina. I'm glad it encourages you to want to do more. You know, we can either choose 2 things. This is kind of my thing. You can either sit on the sidelines and you can let life happen to you, or you can choose to get out there and find a way to just become part of something bigger. And I'm just of the mindset that I don't want to sit around and not do anything. I want to make something happen in my life. I want to be a blessing to someone. I'm going to do this silvery kind of champagne color on this cradle part here. You know, I want to make a difference. I want to inspire other people, and I want to teach my kids that giving back is important. And so I just look for little ways that we can do that in your local community, in your church, with your friends and family. There's just lots of people out there that need to know that they are loved. This was something that some friends of ours from church did. Let's do, I don't really want to go super dark. We're going to pull, I think we'll pull just a little bit of this brown color and we'll smoke out with that. Just kind of a light smoke out. But she and her kids love to bake. That is not my gifting. I love to receive baked. Anyway, they bake cookies and take them to their local fire station or police station, you know, local service places in their town just to brighten their day. And she said it gives them a purpose, like something to do, and it teaches her kids to give back to the community, and it's something they enjoy doing. And so I don't think it has to be a big hoopla that you're looking forward to. I think it just needs to be something that you love, something that makes your heart smile, and maybe something that makes other people's hearts smile too. Boy, I got heavy on that edge there. I'm blending it down. Blending it down. Got heavier than I thought. Okay, I'm going to take that champagne-y color again, and I'm going to put that underneath up here. And I'm going to blend that. I'm going to tone that sucker down a little bit over there. Don't really want to be that bold today. I was talking with our high school principal a while ago. We had an ARD this meeting yesterday for my oldest son who's in high school and special education. And we were talking about ways that we could make a difference for the special needs community. And, there's just so many areas in this world that you can give back. You don't have to be a super talented person to go in and maybe volunteer in the schools and teach a painting class or read a book. I mean, simple as reading a book. We're going to do our glimmer sticks in Blackest Black. he was just telling me today that, you know, they were looking for ways for the kids to go out in the community and serve so that they had something to look forward to. Of course, it has to be COVID safe and social distance from other people. And we were just discussing different ideas of places that the kids could, you know, volunteer. And I think, again, no matter what age your kids are, it's important to teach them to be viable people of the community. You know, viable people that give back and that care about others and make a difference. Because if you start it young, woo, we're bloating out that eyeliner today. If you start it young, then guess what? They're going to carry that on with their children, and we just make the world a better place. Okay, I can't talk and line at the same time. I'm going to poke myself in the eyeball. So what are some ways that you give back? What are some areas that you give back in your life? Maybe that you teach your kids to give back. I do know, like our local animal shelter, they love to have people come walk the dogs, clean out the stalls. So maybe you reach out, love waterproof mascara. Maybe you reach out to your local rescue centers for animals, if you love animals, and see if you can volunteer to come clean out the stalls for them or walk the dogs or, you know, spend some time loving on those puppies. There's all kinds of ways that you can give back and make a difference and still be safe from COVID. Yay, Sandra! Congratulations. That's awesome, girlfriend. That is so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. And you know, I love making a difference with my Avon business. Maybe sharing tips and tricks to help people get out and get more involved in their community. Maybe sharing beauty tips to give people a little bit more confidence when they're wearing their makeup. I mean, let's face it, girls, I am no makeup artist by any means, but I know a few tips and tricks that I can share with you guys and hopefully make your makeup journey a little bit easier. That's my whole goal here, so. Okay. It is hard to mascara and talk at the same time. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see. Our kids, especially Mallory, pick up trash when she sees it, but we don't make it a thing, like purposely go and do it. I think there's something about purposely going out and doing it and teaching them that we're going to go out and we're going to do this and make a difference. Yes, picking it up wherever you go is totally awesome, I think. But for me, with my boys, because concepts sometimes don't stick with them because they're special needs, we have to make it a point that we are doing this to give back to our community because we want to make it a better place. And so maybe you could use it as like a teaching moment or something like that. VDL Cream Jelly. I love this stuff. It is a blush and a lip. This is Rose Flake. I'm just going to pat it in and then we're going to rub it in. The reason I put it on first like this is because I want it to heat up just a little bit on my cheeks. And then I take my beauty blender and I just pat it in just for a little kiss of pink color. It comes in 4 shades. I'm very partial to this pink one. We also have like a burgundy. It's so pretty. We'll do it on our lips too. We have a burgundy. I can't remember the other 4 colors. It's so pretty, isn't it? Do you love it? I love it. It makes me smile. Anything that makes me smile, I'm like, let's do it. Let's do it. So that is the VDL Cream Stick Jelly. We're going to set our look today with our VDL Fix and Mist Setting Spray. Whew. Let it set. It's going to make our makeup stay all day long. What do you think about the eye look? Could you rock that? I love that Love in Paris palette. It is still one of my favorite palettes. I use it all the time. So if you take nothing from this live, maybe these aren't the makeup tips for you. If you take nothing from this live, take this. There are many ways that we can make a difference in our communities, in our lives, in our families' lives, in our friends' lives. So find something to look forward to today. Plan some way that you can get out and you can give back and purposely make a difference. Make a difference in somebody else's life, because when you do that, guess what? You're going to make a difference in your own life. So that gives you something to look forward to. I'm going to take the lip balms and take them to my business cards. That's a great idea, Christina. So thank you guys for getting ready with me this morning. Of course, if you need any help with skincare consultations, let me know. Or color matching, totally help you out with that. Share this video, like this video, and like and follow us on YouTube and Facebook. I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks, guys.